You might have been caught up in a situation there's a bridge and you want to cross the other side of the river. But the bridge is the risk. And you're seeing your chance on the other side of the river. What would you do? Actually, with that bridge, many people are afraid to cross the river and they're sunk. There are those who cross the river thinking the grass was greener on the other side, only to realize that all that they wanted, they had it all. But what is most important in life is try to cross that bridge so that you can make a difference in life. And when you cross the bridge, which is taking the risk, you will surely get that chance. But the moment you let it slip, it is everything you ever wanted in life. Then you forget about the chance. So take the risk or lose the chance. It is up to you. Thank you.